Tim Burton has produced many films through the decades and has become one of the most iconic auteurs when it comes to color choices. Burton films are usually consisted of peculiar characters that are outcasts, gothic backdrops, and the portrayal of negative aspects of pop culture. It could be argued that these three key points are all being produced through his use of color. In this video essay, color as a stylistic device will be explored through various Tim Burton films, as we see how he cleverly illustrates key themes in his films through the use of completely different color palettes. The use of contrasting color palettes are exemplified in his 1990 film Edward Scissorhands. Throughout the film, there are pastel colors used to represent 1960s suburbia. The pastel colors create a friendly and unthreatening tone to the film, portraying the population of the little suburb in Florida as joyful and bright. Although this is the case, the color also depicts how unnatural and overdone the whole suburbia is, outlining the flawed nature of the world as we figure out later on in the film that the whole neighborhood becomes less accepting of Edward, showing that they may look gentle on the outside, but on the inside they are ruthless and judgmental. Edward is always shown in black, gray, and white, which portrays Edward as an antagonist, as it isolates him from everyone else. Burton clearly shows that he does not fit in with the pastel colors. By separating the two color palettes, Tim Burton establishes the dissimilarity of the two worlds. German Expressionism is the key aspect of Burton films, through the use of black and white as well as the Gothic architecture. This is exemplified in films such as Beetlejuice, where Beetlejuice himself is always seen in striped black and white clothing, and a face paint to signify his unearthly being. Examples of Tim Burton's portrayal of the dead is shown in Corpse Bride, Frankenweenie, and Dark Shadows. In Charlie and the Chocolate Factory and Alice in Wonderland, both films create an unreal and fantasy-like setting through the use of bright colors such as red, blue, and green. The bright colors seem artificial, creating another dimension in where outcast characters like Charlie and Alice feel comfortable, as they do not fit in with the real world. According to Corrigan and White, color profoundly affects our experience and understanding of a film shot by creating an atmosphere or emphasizing certain motifs. Tim Burton does just this through the use of his color, highlighting crucial elements to the overall films that he creates.